Today we are going to see how we can quite easily create these super viral Roblox Rant videos, story videos that we can see make millions of views across different creators. And you can easily monetize this. Think about making about 10 cents per 1,000 views on each short you upload. So this guy has potentially made thousands of dollars just by uploading short form content. And you can see that all of this content takes millions of views multiple times and it's quite evergreen. So we're going to see how to create it today. Before we begin, I want to let you know that the scripts and all of the material for this will be inside my free school community down below in the description. You go into Classroom, click Master, Video Generation, and go to Roblox Automation. You are going to find all of the prompts and all of the material here. So the first thing is we want to generate these viral ideas. There is this script that allows you to put it inside, for example, ChatGPT, and it's going to generate us each time 3 viral brain rot short ideas. You can of course fine tune it, change it according to your likings. So the first thing, you want to take one of these ideas and then you want to use the second prompt that is over here, which is the script generator. The script generator creates the exact script that we are going to use. So here we go and boom, we paste the title and the description we got from the previous step along with the prompt, and it generates the script for us, give us some notes where to put sound and audio, and we have this script. This script we want to take and put it over to 11 Labs. 11 Labs will turn this text into speech, and there's also some free credits for up to 10 minutes of text to speech every single month. If you need more limits, you can buy the $5 subscription, which is super cheap. The link for 11 Labs will be down below in the description, as well as the school community, so you can get started with your account. If you find this serious, I would highly suggest that you get the premium version and iterate over these ideas. So we go to text to speech, we paste our prompt here. What I want you to know is that this prompt has these, notes inside parentheses. You want to remove these from the text you put to 11 Labs. This is mainly for you to know where to put sounds and effects when you create the video. So we click generate speech. I use the Adam voice and the 11 multilingual version 2, which is one of the best options here. You can also try the version 3 alpha. I like it, but it's a lot more costly at the moment. So we generated a 40-second audio. We click download to download this locally. You will also need a video editor. You can go with CapCut, you can go with Adobe Premiere. It doesn't really matter. So the first thing that we need to do is to actually get the script done and the voice generated. The second thing we want to do is go ahead and download some viral sounds from YouTube. You could go ahead and reverse engineering by finding the sounds that these guys have used. For example, search for Rocket Hour, search for YZUB, and search for Rant.exe0. These are some of the best creators on this space, so you can reverse engineer their stories and get started with your own scripts. You can even, put this kind of videos into a transcript and try to create scripts that generate similar ideas, research similar ideas. It's up to how deep you want to go, but I'm going to keep it short and simple. Of course, more things we can discuss inside the school community, so jump in there if you want to discuss this. Maybe we can collaborate on some of these channels. And yeah, we also need some sound effects. So one famous sound effect is Vine Boom sound effect. We also need these kind of sounds. For example, here is Core, and yeah, we have to actually download them. So go to YouTube downloader, that's what you want to search. Pretty much any of these downloaders will work. Maybe you will have to search a little bit more if the first ones don't work, but let's say that we are going to try with these and we're going to download the MP3 audio. In this case, click download now. Save the audio file locally. Then we want to do the same thing for this Vine sound. So we have a special effect during our editing today. So again, download audio, download now. It will open up some advertisements. You just close them. It's nothing serious. We also need some gameplay. You could go ahead and search for Roblox Obi and go to filters. You want to select Creative Commons. All right. This is very important so you don't get any kind of copyright claim time on your videos, and you can download some of these videos, chop them up into specific parts. You want to keep the parts where there's a lot of movement. In this case, or if you can download Roblox and play OB games on your own and record them with OBS Studio. In this case, I'm just going to download one of these gameplays, or if I remember correctly, I actually have some gameplays on my computer, so I'm not going to download anything, but this is the process of downloading. Then we want to go on Pinterest and download some kind of meme images that would fit the narrative. For example, this is a very good image, in all honesty. So we can go ahead and download this, right click, save as JPEG. Maybe we can download this. I really love this meme, one of my favorite ones. And you can search on the bar for other kind of memes. This one I really like as well, so we can save that as well. So we already have the material we need to create this video. So open up your video editor of choice. In my opinion, one of my favorite ones is Adobe Premiere Pro. That's what I usually strive to use. And let me show you how we can create this video. Already you have seen that essentially the only thing you have to do is generate the idea with ChatGPT, then put it to 11 Labs, and all of the other material you should do only once. You will have them ready on your folders, and you can automate the process of video creation quite fast. Like you could preset up a project where you have all of this content split up and ready. So you just copy and paste other places you need, and you're ready to go. You could literally create a video in just 10 minutes at most, upload it as well on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I would highly suggest that you go only for YouTube because that's where you can monetize. So you open up a new project on Adobe Premiere Pro. If you don't use Adobe Premiere Pro, that's fine. You can use CapCut. Really, the video editing you need to do is minimal. You just need to do some cut and drags. So you can go ahead and see a tutorial on CapCut or Adobe Premiere to find all of the key bindings. It shouldn't take more than 30 minutes of your time at the start of your journey to, learn how to use these tools. Like it's very, very easy. It's very, very easy, and you should not worry about it at all. It doesn't need any kind of expertise. It's not hard at all. We put all of these stuff inside our timeline here, and I'm going also to import one of the videos I have created on Roblox, so we can also use that. So yeah, that's a Roblox video. How much time is it? Okay, it's 2 minutes, so that's good. So we drag the gameplay. I'm removing all of the sounds of the gameplay. This is not an OB, this is just still a brain rot, it's called. Doesn't really matter. I'm just doing you an example of how you can do everything. So, okay, you want to make this full screen, all right? So you want to be a little zoom out. You want to focus on this having movements. So try to keep moving parts, have your character move. All right, so let's say that I keep all of these clips. It doesn't really matter. I'm not trying to optimize the video at this point. And then we want to drag this sound of 11 Labs. Now, the important thing here is that 11 Labs will have some cuts between them. You want to make sure that these cuts gets minimized. You don't want your video to be slow. You don't want for a person to lose his attention on your video. So make sure to auto trim this automatically. If you use Adobe Premiere or even CapCut, they probably have this transcription service that can automatically do this for you. Otherwise, you can do it by hand. But this really does save time. Like you've seen, everything is optimized and ready for us to go. All right, so we can see here all of the clips, and then we can put like the sound on the back end. So let's do that. I'm going to go with this part of the audio, so we have music all of the time playing. I'm going to reduce its sound by just a little bit, so it doesn't goes over the voiceover. So let's see a small example of what we have created. Up till now, we have some more editing to do.
Bro, why did every kid think they were gonna die in lava? Like, what were we training for? The floor was molten rock, the couch was base camp, and if you touch the carpet, boom, you're gone. I'd be jumping from pillow to pillow like a ninja on a mission to save humanity. My room looked like a survival obstacle course. I'm sweating, breathing heavy, thinking I just outsmarted nature itself. Then my mom yells, "Dinner's ready!" and I instantly forget the volcano apocalypse I just survived. Childhood logic was avoid lava, fight invisible sharks, but somehow believe bedtime is a government conspiracy.
Alright, that was good. This is a good video. It's about 30 seconds, 35, 38 seconds. You always may want to make sure that your videos are at least 30 seconds for the YouTube algorithm. This is a very important trick. So here we can go ahead and turn all of these transcripts into captions. So click create captions from transcripts. This is also available on CapCut. Just just different kind of overview and settings. Just search how to create captions in CapCut, and then you could easily find it. Just showing you the tutorial on the software I use, which is Adobe Premiere. You gotta pay a little bit for it. Okay, so I'm just tuning the captions at this point. Nothing super special or amazing. Just want to make sure that your captions are clean, that they look good, that they're on the center of the screen. That's very important. You want them to be at the center of the screen and be at least a little bit big enough. And then we want to do a very fast scheme over them. So yeah, maybe a little smaller. Okay, boom, they're good. And then what we want to do is go ahead and start these, adding these booms and these sound effects over our text. So again, here, one of the things you need to do is drag the captions to the lowest layer possible. And then we have like this boom effect. Just put the images now randomly. You should put them, to match the audio of the video. So let's see.
Bro, why did every kid think they were gonna die in lava?
Okay, so we can add a boom here. So we take the sound effect of Vine boom, match it along with the image. So let's see it.
We're gonna die in lava. Like, what were
And we're adding this default transition. So let's see it again.
in lava? Like, what were we training for? The floor was molten rock, the couch was base camp, and if you touch the carpet, boom, you're gone.
Okay, so this matches very nicely with the effect we're trying to do. So again here, boom. Let's see again.
Boom, you're gone. I'd be jumping from pillow to pillow like a ninja on a mission to save humanity. My room looked like a survival obstacle course. I'm sweating, breathing heavy, thinking I just outsmarted nature itself. Then my mom yells, "Dinner's ready!" and I instantly forget the volcano.
Okay, so another boom here.
Dinner's ready! And I instantly forget the volcano apocalypse I just survived. Childhood logic was avoid lava, fight invisible sharks, but somehow believe bedtime is a government conspiracy.
So this is very good. This is like a clip that I could see, going viral, even with this kind of minimal edit. It doesn't have a lot of things. It's a very simple edit that will probably just work. And the idea here is that you don't get sad if it doesn't work the first time. You want to keep building these videos every single day, uploading them. You've seen, like, it doesn't take a lot of credits. You can even start it completely for free inside the 11 Labs. Like, it doesn't take a lot of credits, and you could do like 20 videos per month completely for free with one subscription and test it out. Like you've seen, starting from scratch, gathering all of the material in just 10 minutes, having the video ready, and boom, go ahead and export it and upload it on YouTube. As simple as that. So make sure to jump in the school community, completely free for you guys to join in. Go into the Roblox automation. I will put all of the links and all of the stuff in here so you have easy access, and I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.